Okay. Okay, going into 75 Shultz. This is the living room. Stinks like dogs. Obviously, they had dogs. Nothing some paint and carpet can't take care of. Alright. Window seems to be good. Baseboard heating seems to be intact and good. Okay. Dining room. Floors. Carpet needs to be ripped up. Okay, but looks like some paint and carpet. Going into the kitchen. Obviously, they had a dog. Okay, going into the kitchen. Looks like an eat-in kitchen. Baseboard seems to be good. Built-in air conditioner. Gonna need new appliances and cleaned up if it's for a rental. But window seems to be good. Okay, now you got some pantries. Back door. There's the full bath. Okay. Good for a rental. Maybe it was an older person here. Okay, we'll open the back door. Looks like we got a small backyard with a big shed. Fenced in. Great for animals. Okay. Okay, going back through the house. Like I said, floors need to be replaced. Some new linoleum. Go upstairs now. Again, windows are okay. Staircase going up. Some spackle. Couple of spindles missing from the railing. Going to the right, there's a bedroom. Little repair on the wall. Baseboard seems to be good. Cedar closet. Ceiling fan. Window seems to be okay. Okay, going into the next bedroom. Nice closet space. Smaller bedroom. Window air conditioner. Okay. It's bedroom 2. This is the master bedroom. Okay. Closet doors need to be put back on, but seem to be okay. Ceiling fan. Windows up here are okay. The roof above the porch looks like it needs some work. All these awnings need to come down. But decent sized bedroom. Carpet all needs to come out. But paint and floors, it looks like, for the most part. A little repair on the roof over the porch. Stairs are sturdy. So once you got new carpet, should be good. This was probably a rental. It would be a good rental. Okay. Gonna go down to the basement. Alright. Alright. Again, stairs seem to be pretty sturdy. Although you're gonna need some handrails on these stairs going down. Okay, looks like this is the old furnace that has to be removed. Carpet needs to be replaced, but it seems to be finished down here. Washer and dryer. Paneling. Okay, now you have the furnace. Furnace seems to be brand new. This is a brand new furnace with its own water tank, so there's no hot water heater. Water's heated through the furnace. You got an electric panel here. It's 200 amp. Plenty of room for expansion. It's a nice finished basement. Okay. Down here, looks like you got an old freezer. This is like where the oil tank is. It's in pretty good shape. The old coal room. So this would have to be cleaned up, but not bad. Okay. That's it. Now we'll go back up. Needs a door to the basement here. Perfect rental. Okay, thank you.